Here already I have the text. Rasterize the text. Right-click on the thumbnail of the layer. Select Pixels. Edit and copy. Deselect. Create a new empty layer. Filter and vanishing point. At the vanishing points. Adjust the points until the mesh becomes blue. Paste the copied text, Ctrl-V. Select the transform tool to make it fit. Hold the shift to maintain the proportion. Blending options. Make sure Blend If is gray. Adjust the underlying layer slider. Hold the Alt to split the slider. Before, after.